years scientists and space officials, AOS, are both intrigued by a mystery planet. The James Webb Telescope has recently released the most detailed picture of Proxima B to date. What mysteries does this faraway planet conceal? Is life possible there? What has the James Webb Telescope recently shown us? Let's find out. Galaxy formation can be partially understood by peering into the distant past, into the history of the cosmos that spans billions of years. Expanding on that idea, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, will allow us to see farther into space than ever before. No one has ever seen infrared photos like the ones taken by the JWST. Like a filter on a phone, the telescope's capabilities are dependent on how it is used. Astronomers can use the James Webb Space Telescope to learn more about the Big Bang, how stars and planets formed, and even examine the atmospheres of worlds outside our solar system to see whether there is life there. The telescope's camera and filters allow scientists to capture a narrow spectrum of light colors. By analyzing these photos, they can piece together the universe's riddles. Important discoveries regarding the universe's evolution have resulted from JWST's unparalleled capacity to peer farther into space and time than ever before. As an example, astronomers have found more mass within enormous galaxies than was previously thought. First ever ultra-clear image of Proxima B announced by James Webb Telescope. Astronomers finally found evidence of a planet's small gravitational pull on its star in 2013. After years of research, the planet that circles Proxima Centauri was rechristened Proxima B in subsequent years. Because it circles the second closest star system to Earth after our Sun, the discovery of this planet is all the more remarkable. We can view the Alpha Centauri system as it was 4 years ago when we look at it from our vantage point, which is around 4 light-years away. The astronomical finding of Proxima B is quite intriguing. It is one of the most Earth-like exoplanets ever found, situated within 25 light-years from our star. Be not deceived by the distance. Proxima B is an entirely new planet. Even though it has a year that is just 11.2 Earth days long, the planet is almost 30% heavier than our own. Its 7.3 million kilometers orbital radius is less than 5% of the distance between Earth and the Sun, which is why it is so small. Despite appearances, Proxima Centauri is a little red dwarf that emits far less energy than our Sun, despite the fact that it is so close to its parent. Considering this, how would it feel to stand on Proxima B and look up at Proxima Centauri? The star, which is approximately 3 times bigger than the Sun, would look like a muted red sphere in the sky. Liquid water could be possible on Proxima B if the planet is located in the habitable zone of its star. Keep in mind that Proxima B is not at all like Earth. As you begin to gather your spacesuit and prepare for an interstellar trip, one possible explanation is that the planet is in a state of tidal lock with its star, which means that one side is in constant light and the other side is in darkness. Possible life forms would face formidable challenges in this harsh environment. The radiation from the star would boil off any water on the planet's surface that faces the Sun, while any water on the surface facing the dark side may freeze. The nature of Proxima Centauri makes it an unwelcoming place for life. The nuclear fusion cores are located at the surface, which causes surface activity to be chaotic. Despite the object's small size, planets like Proxima B that orbit within its habitable zone face a tremendous challenge from the extraordinarily intense magnetic fields that create high-energy radiation and particle burn bursts. Strong solar flares might wipe out any life on Proxima B. According to a new research that used high-resolution magnetic field images, the planet gets around 1,000 times more solar wind radiation than Earth. Actually, the most powerful solar flare ever recorded occurred in April 2021, when a Proxima Centauri flare outshone all others by a factor of 100. Reality may be very inhospitable, despite how fascinating the concept of a livable planet around Proxima Centauri is. Humans' insatiable curiosity about the prospect of contact with alien species has persisted through thick and thin. The discovery of an unusual signal emanating from the Alpha Centauri system in late 2020 intensified this excitement to unprecedented levels. The signal, which was detected at 98,207 MHz, was not normally linked to satellites orbiting Earth, which led to conjecture: may this constitute evidence of sentient beings? The possibility of visiting Proxima Centauri and interacting with extraterrestrial life is less remote than previously believed. In an effort to reduce travel time from centuries to decades, the Breakthrough initiatives have been doing research into possible solutions. New research reveals possible solutions to the problem of propelling items approaching the speed of light, but with current technology it would still take about 6,000 years to reach Alpha Centauri. The Starshot project is investigating the feasibility of using lasers to guide a spacecraft toward its target, Alpha Centauri. Adaptive optics and other novel approaches could overcome the primary obstacle, the Earth's atmosphere, which modulates both inbound and laser light. In as little as 22 years, the spacecraft may reach Alpha Centauri using laser power that is 100 gigawatts, the same as the US's electrical usage. The consequences of interstellar debris and the difficulties of data transmission back to Earth are two of the remaining challenges. It would still take years for signals to reach us even if the spacecraft reaches its objective. However, once the launch system is in place, it may be reasonably inexpensive to send more probes, increasing the likelihood that we will be able to explore star systems like Proxima Centauri after this. Planets beyond our solar system, known as exoplanets, have recently attracted a great deal of scientific interest. There have been thousands of exoplanet discoveries since the initial confirmation of planets around neutron stars in 1992. Among these, there are many Earth-sized planets that are situated within the habitable zones of their respective stars. Make sure to subscribe if you've liked this video. We know now so little about the cosmos, even with the help of groundbreaking missions like the Kepler Space Observatory and the James Webb Space Telescope. If you share our insatiable curiosity for the cosmos, you must watch every episode of Voyager. Continue watching the video on your screen for more astounding explanations of the universe's riddles. Who can say what the next big discovery will be?